In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the blade on this 12-inch compound miter saw. This is a Dewalt. This process is going to be similar for other saws, and it's pretty simple, but you might not know where to start. That's what I'm making this video for. So the very first thing before you do this on any saw is make sure it's unplugged. That is rule number one. And then you'll see that this bolt right here is the one that you have to remove, but it's hard to get to. So right here you have a bolt, and that is a T30. This is a star bit or a Torx bit, whatever you want to call it. You want to loosen that. You got to hold this guard up like this and loosen that. You don't have to take it all the way out, but you have to loosen it quite a bit to bring this up. At the same time, you want to hold the handle and lift that up. So now your bolt is exposed. This saw actually has a built-in wrench right here, and mine is still here, so that's what I'm going to use. If you put this on here, you're going to notice that this blade is going to spin. So in order to stop that from happening, on the other side, there is a button right here. You can press down on that, and as you spin the blade, you'll feel it lock into place right there. So now that's going to stop the blade from spinning. You just got to hold that button while you loosen this blade. And now with that button pushed, you can put your wrench on here and just be very careful of the blade. Lock it on here, and then you're going to spin the bolt clockwise. So a nice grip on it and loosen it up. And then from there, you can take it out by hand. There. And then don't forget about this piece. Don't lose that. You need that. And then your blade will come out. Lift this up. And there you go. This is actually the original blade for this saw. I'm going to put it back on because I'm just making this video to show you. You lift this up like that. Put it right back in here. Make sure it sits on that arbor like that. Take this and line it up. Make sure that sits in there. Might have to push that up and get your bolt started. This is an opposite thread, so you tighten it going counterclockwise. So you can see, I'll hold this guard up, push down on that lock, and tighten it. Again, be very careful of your fingers. Try not to let this slip. You can use, I believe it is a 13mm wrench, preferably a box wrench if you lost this tool. And now that it's on there, you can put your tool back in here, hold the handle and pull this down. Don't forget to tighten up this T30 bolt. Nice and tight. You should be good. You can plug it in and make sure it works. All set. So if that is what you were looking for, I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.